Hey buddies, welcome to my channel Twisty Fusion. Today I will discuss a weight loss smoothie recipe, apple oatmeal smoothie. Smoothie is an excellent meal option, especially as a breakfast, as it is usually low in calories and high in other essential nutrients. Now, if you are on a weight loss journey, this smoothie as a breakfast will kickstart your day with the right quantity of vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and other major nutrients. This smoothie is actually very easy to make in absolutely no time at all and does not contain any refined or artificial sugar. It is very satiating and keeps you full for a longer time period. Now let's check out the ingredient list and we will at length discuss a little about the ingredients one by one. The first ingredient that we'll discuss is apple. Now apples are low in sodium content, thereby controlling blood pressure level. Usually it is advised to have an apple with its peel because almost two-thirds of the dietary fiber that is present in an entire apple is there in its peel only. Now, apart from this, apples are having a very high glycemic index and it helps you to keep you full for a long time period. Next ingredient we'll discuss is oats. We have used oats here as the base of this smoothie. It's very rich in dietary fiber, as we all know, and it's high in complex carbs. Here I have used regular quick oats, but you may use any variety of oats like regular quick oats or steel cut oats or rolled oats as well. The next ingredient used here is milk. Here I have used low fat skimmed milk, but you may use almond milk or any other plant-based milk. Usually, I use seeds in my weight loss recipes a lot because these seeds means chia seeds, flax seeds and pumpkin seeds give you an extra dose of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. That's why I prefer to use seeds. Then I've used almonds. I've used soaked almonds here for an extra creaminess and an extra dose of omega-3, 6 and 9 fatty acid content. You may use unsoaked ones as well. Then as a natural sweetener, since I have not used any sugar here, so I have used dates. Now here I have used medjool dates. You may use any kind of dates because dates are high in dietary fiber and are a very good source of iron. Generally I prefer to use some kind of nut butter in the smoothies in its purest form to give it a crunchier and a creamier texture. Here I have used peanut butter. Now one point you should note while buying any kind of nut butter is that the ingredient list in that nut butter should contain only that nut specifically apart from any other additional ingredients. I have used cinnamon powder here because cinnamon along with apples form an excellent combination which gives you a very good flavor. Further, if you are on a weight loss journey, you must not forget to include cinnamon in your daily diet during your weight loss regime. Now, without any further ado, let's directly move on to this healthy recipe. from using it as a breakfast, you can use this smoothie as a pre or a post workout meal. This is an ideal sugarless weight loss recipe loaded with nutrients and other vitamins as required by your body. You can also refer to my chocolate banana smoothie recipe for another weight loss breakfast option. Now, if you liked this video, please click on the like button, share it with your friends and family members as well. For more such weight loss recipes, please subscribe to my channel Twisty Fusion and click on the bell icon to get regular updates whenever I post something new. Wait for my next update. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.